Hey there, rice lovers! Today, we're diving into the world of rice to discover how a simple preparation step can make this staple food an incredible health booster. If you love rice but worry about carbs or blood sugar, stay tuned, because I'll reveal an easy trick that transforms rice into a fiber-rich, metabolism-boosting food. I'll walk you through the science behind it and share practical tips for incorporating this technique into your daily meals. And if you enjoy this video, please remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss any of our health tips. Rice has been a staple in diets worldwide for centuries, and it's easy to see why. It's affordable, versatile, and provides a rich source of carbohydrates. Carbs are often misunderstood and unfairly criticized, but they're essential for fueling our bodies. In fact, carbs are our body's primary source of energy, especially for the brain and muscles. Top athletes and nutrition experts alike include carbs, including rice, in their diets for sustained energy. However, not all rice types are created equal. Brown rice, for instance, is packed with nutrients like fiber, manganese, selenium, magnesium, and B vitamins. These nutrients are vital for various body functions, from digestion to metabolism to keeping bones and muscles strong. White rice, although lower in fiber, provides a surprising amount of folate, a B vitamin critical for cell function and especially important for pregnant women. But here's where things get exciting. I'm going to show you a technique that transforms the carbs in rice, making it easier on your blood sugar and even more beneficial for your gut. This one step is simple but powerful, changing rice from a basic carb source to a superfood for energy and digestion. So before you write rice off, keep watching. I'll share how to prepare rice in a way that optimizes its health benefits. Now, let's talk about a little-known secret that can make rice even healthier: resistant starch. This unique type of fiber forms when you cook rice and then cool it in the fridge. Unlike regular starch, resistant starch doesn't get broken down in your stomach. Instead, it acts like fiber, feeding the good bacteria in your gut. When you eat rice prepared this way, you're not just getting a carb, you're also getting a natural prebiotic that supports gut health. So why does resistant starch matter? Studies show that resistant starch can improve insulin sensitivity, stabilize blood sugar levels, and even boost feelings of fullness. It transforms rice from a bad carb to a more nutritious, slow-digesting food that's beneficial for your body. Imagine eating rice without worrying about blood sugar spikes. This simple trick could be the game changer you've been looking for. I still remember my first time trying this resistant starch trick. I made a batch of rice, let it cool, and then reheated it the next day. The difference was incredible. No midday energy crashes, and I felt full and energized for hours. If you're ready to try it, stick around, because up next, I'll show you exactly how to prepare resistant starch rice. Creating resistant starch in rice is easier than you might think. You only need 3 simple steps to make your rice healthier and easier on your digestion. Here's how. Cook your rice. Start by cooking your rice as you normally would. Whether it's white, brown, basmati, or wild rice, any type works for this method. Cool completely. Once cooked, allow your rice to cool completely. The cooling process is what activates resistant starch. You can spread it out on a baking sheet to cool faster, or simply place it in the fridge overnight. Reheat and enjoy. When you're ready to eat, reheat the rice. This reheating step is crucial. It makes the resistant starch stable so that it doesn't break down in your body like regular starch. By making a big batch of rice on the weekend, you'll have a healthy, ready-to-eat carb option for the entire week. Toss it into salads, stir-fries, soups, or use it as a side dish with lean proteins and veggies. With this simple trick, you can enjoy rice as a health-boosting, fiber-rich addition to your meals. Rice prepared with resistant starch isn't just great for your blood sugar, it's a fantastic way to support digestive health. Resistant starch acts as a prebiotic, which means it feeds the good bacteria in your gut. When these bacteria thrive, they produce short-chain fatty acids, like butyrate, which nourish the cells in your colon and reduce inflammation throughout your digestive tract. If you deal with digestive issues like colitis, IBS, Crohn's disease, constipation, or diarrhea, rice can be a helpful part of your diet. The resistant starch in rice not only promotes healthy digestion, but can also firm up stools and relieve diarrhea. Brown rice adds extra fiber, helping to prevent constipation and promote regularity. Keep in mind that everyone's digestive system is different, so listen to your body and adjust your intake as needed. While some people with severe digestive issues may need to limit fiber, for most, rice can be a gentle, effective way to improve gut health. Whether you're dealing with digestive discomfort or simply looking to support your microbiome, rice with resistant starch is a great addition to your diet. While resistant starch adds benefits, balance is key to making rice a true health ally. Pairing your rice with healthy fats, proteins, and fiber-rich veggies helps balance your meal and slows down the release of sugar into the bloodstream, which keeps energy levels steady. For instance, top a bowl of brown rice with stir-fried vegetables and a lean protein like chicken or salmon for a well-rounded meal, or try a rice bowl with black beans, avocado, salsa, and a sprinkle of cheese. Not only do these combinations taste amazing, but they also provide an array of nutrients that work in harmony to support your metabolism and overall health. If you're looking to lose weight, portion control is also essential. Aiming for half to 1 cup of cooked rice per meal is a good guideline. This portion size ensures you're getting the benefits without overloading on carbs. Remember, rice is a calorie-dense food, so balance it with nutrient-dense sides to keep your meal satisfying and well-rounded. When prepared mindfully, rice can be a fantastic addition to your diet. No need to cut it out. To sum up, rice can be an incredibly nutritious part of your diet when prepared the right way. Let's recap what we've covered. First, rice is a powerful source of energy and essential nutrients. By using the cooling and reheating trick, you transform rice into a source of resistant starch, turning it into a prebiotic that supports your gut and stabilizes blood sugar. Rice also promotes digestive health by feeding beneficial gut bacteria and can be a great option for those with digestive issues. Remember, portion control is key. Aim for half to 1 cup of cooked rice per meal and pair it with lean proteins, healthy fats, and a variety of vegetables. Experiment with different rice types like brown, black, red, or wild rice to keep things exciting and packed with nutrients. So there you have it. Rice can absolutely be a part of a balanced, health-conscious diet. Try incorporating these tips into your weekly meal prep and see how it makes you feel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more nutrition insights and practical health tips. Here's to enjoying rice in a way that nourishes both your body and taste buds.